Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2012-13 Honda Odyssey. Today we are trying to add another key using OTEC. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. This one here is not programmed yet. So let's go ahead and use OTEC and then click next and go to Honda. Yes, today we have a visitors. How are you? How are you? Good. Okay, so we're gonna go to Honda, click OK by vehicle, then go down to Honda Odyssey and get it. Skip this one. You have to choose the year. Honda Odyssey 2000. Let me turn the hazard light off. Where is the hazard light? On the top here, right? Turn the hazard light off. I'm gonna come back here. So now we're gonna go down. 2013-12 the same. Remote and key. Turn the ignition on. Add one key. Insert the key, turn the ignition on. Turn the key off. On. Programming. Turn the key off. Within 15 seconds. Take this one, put the one that I have here. Turn the key on. I don't know even where is the security. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. The security light is here. Turn the key off. On. Is the ammo off? I say no. I'm gonna escape, nothing happened there. Okay. Say okay. Add the key. Insert the key, turn the ignition on. Press OK. Off. On. Turn the key off. Take this one out. Put the other one. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. Is the ammo out? I would say no. I don't know why. Let me see why it doesn't want to take it. All key lost. I'm gonna use this one for all key lost. How many key you wanna put? 2. And the key off. And the key on. Key off. Second key. Off. 1. Off. on. Is the ammo light off? No. Still blinking. Escape. Failure. I don't know why it fell. Let me see this. One is taking it and the other one doesn't take it. Why? I don't know. So let me try to figure out another way. We come back.